Where is Valiant right now? Me see Valiant on plane, and me don't even see Valiant with one person around him. Career dead. The one link where you go link with Foota Htpe. This is a warning to bounty killer. Remember me, I tell you, me a one bounty killer. Vibes Cartel. If me a one bounty killer, the same warning go for you. Foota Htpe have a way of bringing people career done. Foota Htpe don't take care of pitney them. Who is Kemar McGregor? Let me talk about that shit in a plate there. I could do the man there.
Welcome to Valiant TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Lion and Lion, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Valiant TV, another man of peace. I may always just say the violence of the streets, living love, unity, and strength, you know. I don't know, give thanks to life, give thanks to another day. Blessed Sabbath, the 22nd of March. Yes, man, right now we have a video with one Kevin, man, a robot, man, a Page Foota, and Kemar McGregor, the producer, Billboard producer, Zane. But you know what? When I'm a long talking in them, I'm not going to hear what I say. Then only can let me know what y'all think in the comment section, isn't it? But I tell you, say, a bit segregation and separation are going on in the music business. Even though a long time thing, that's still. But don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. Yes, what I say. Yeah, man, tell a friend to tell a friend. Valiant TV, the man of peace. Yeah, see me? Yeah, man, when Kevin talk about a bag of things, man. Yeah, see me, I say, Beenie Man, Valiant. Him say, Valiant, done, flop. And I'm linked with Foota Htpe, Lisa Htpe, flop. I'm sure link with Foota Htpe. Beenie Man, flop. And I'm linked with Foota Htpe. Be everybody link on Foota Htpe, them flop out. You see me, so? I couldn't hear what I say, no, but what I say, no. Big up on yourself. I'm want to know, check out that song, yeah. Nah, stop try, see? Yeah, man.
Where is Valiant right now? Me see Valiant on plane, and me don't even see Valiant with one person around him. Career dead. And Valiant have so much good tune. The one link where you go link with Foota Htpe. This is a warning to bounty killer. Remember me, I tell you, me a one bounty killer. Vibes Cartel. If me a one bounty killer, the same warning go for you. Everybody tap the screen. Everybody tap the screen. Cause people think say me a joke when me not a joke, you know. Me see a square and me call a square. Because a square is a square in my eyes. Foota Htpe have a way of him tarnish people career. Tony Matterhorn go around Foota Htpe. And say my Foota Htpe a friend. And after Tony Matterhorn go up on stage in a clash. I don't disrespect the Chinese, them and them shut him down. You know, hear Tony Matterhorn in a more clash. You know, hear Tony Matterhorn in a more clash. Anybody go around Foota Htpe career dead. Eh? The biggest mistake Deverbrat ever make was going around Foota Htpe. The biggest mistake. King Yellow Man come out and I talk about Cartel and him did a talk about Beenie Man and I said them a reptile and him a call them all kind of name. And him did a go on good. Him go make Foota Htpe give him one interview. When was the last time you hear after him try one song off a Cartel? When was the last time you hear anything about King Yellow Man again? They went to bury him. Foota Htpe bury everybody will come around him. If you are an artist and you are around Foota Htpe right now, you are a ticking time bomb. I want to go to the river. Meet me at the river someday. Get some lime, get some blue, and go wash off. If you're there on Foota Htpe. If Foota Htpe there on you, get lime and blue and go wash off. You hear what I say? Foota Htpe have a way of tarnishing people's career. Foota Htpe have a way of bringing people's career done. Foota Htpe don't take care of him pitney them. The other day, one of him son send him one gift. Right? And the gift when him son send him take the gift. And when him take the gift, him say, it's good for have a whole heap of pitney. Because all of them now go do this. Now, Foota Htpe, are you come for life screaming and say, your baby mother never give you your pitney, so who's pitney you want to give you something else? After you not mind the people in pitney, and you send $15 to the people in pitney, you're out of order. Big dirty stinking Foota Htpe, germsy Foota Htpe, piss bed Foota Htpe, liar Foota Htpe, bad mind Foota Htpe. Nothing about you no good. This is a warning for Rodney Price, aka Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer, you're all out. You never signed no Batman paper for come America. Bounty Killer, you're all out. Bounty Killer did not sign no paper to come to America. Bounty Killer wait till Donald Trump take over and Donald Trump say 2 gender. And as so comes Bounty Killer, they are foreign now. Bounty Killer never signed the paper. Bounty Killer was offered a US visa and told that he have to sign the colorful flag to go to America. And Bounty Killer said, no witch, no fish. Cross, hungry, miserable. Bounty said, never do it. Beenie Man was get an offer for sign the fish paper. And Beenie Man said, proudly, I'm signing it. I'm going to America. Beenie Man. People go look up the facts. Let me not talk foolish. Go look up the facts. Beenie Man is booked for the USB arena. Beenie Man link up with Foota Htpe and nothing can go good for him. Trinidadian people almost beat him. He is booked for the USB arena. And right now, what happened to him? What happened to him? Crosses a follow him. Crosses a follow Beenie Man. Beenie Man have not yet sell 100 tickets. USB Arena have not yet sell 100 tickets. While Vybz Kartel sold out the event in the Barclays Center 2 nights. Vybz Kartel sold out the USB Arena 2 nights. The one man who go link with Foota Htpe cannot sell 100 tickets in America. Bro, USB Arena need Bounty Killer. It need Sizzla Kalonji. It need Mavado. It need... Who else? It need Mavado. And it need Vybz Kartel. Allow me to tell? Allow me to tell? Beenie Man did a try a look a slick move to see if him could have sold out USB Arena. Beenie Man cannot sell out the USB Arena. Beenie Man cannot sell out the USB Arena by himself. You cannot sell out the USB Arena by yourself. You need company. You need help. 100 tickets not sell yet. People go check. Who is Kemar McGregor? That dirty stinking fish boy there. Who is Kemar McGregor? Let me talk about that shit in a plate there. I could do the man there. People, don't it should be aware that if you're earning, you're getting what you earn, what you work hard for. You're supposed to get what you work hard for. Right? Now, by rights, Beenie Man work hard. And Beenie Man get the king of dancehall by taking it at first. And then them did applause him and them tired of him, so them give him the king. Kemar McGregor a go on like say, Beenie Man are the only artist of Jamaica. In defense, him man goes on and say, if Jamaica, if the people them who kneel God upon the cross are Jamaican. Excuse me? Who's Jamaican there here right now, say me? Do we have any Jamaican here? On the top of his screen now. On the do me a favor on top of his screen before me take a commercial break. On the top of his screen now. Kemar McGregor say. See there? Only for Jamaican there. Do you agree with Kemar McGregor when he said, are we nail Jesus Christ on the cross? Do you agree with that statement? I totally disagree with that. And I don't know why Kemar McGregor will come here and look highlight as a man who make rhythm. Why you not gonna make some rhythm? Beenie Man is the only artist come around you. Remember I said Cargo you go through some battle because you don't like pay. Cargo go through a fight with you because you don't like to pay Kemar McGregor. Me I do your research for you. No artist not like Kemar McGregor Jamaica. The only artist stick around Kemar McGregor, one of the bad-minded artists in Jamaica, and that is Beenie Man. Everybody, you know, follow the team now. On the top and that's something there. On follow the team now. If you not listen to the youth, I don't rate the youth. On follow the team now, brother. I want Kevin, me say. Me, I want Kevin. I mean, I come here so with no water in my mouth or in a matter. You understand? No black and no cement no in my mouth. Kemar McGregor. Low Vibes Cartel alone. Kemar McGregor, you broke like dog. You broke like buckle. Nothing now go off here. The artist not sleep on the rhythm where you have Kemar McGregor. No artist not acknowledge you. Because you are one dirty piece of shit. Kemar McGregor. If you want somebody to come to you, Kemar McGregor, we are doing a close casket with Kemar McGregor today. Stop